The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Meta platforms with the ticker symbol META. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Here we have the daily chart for Meta platforms, and I believe last week I was a little bullish. So last week prices were trading right at the 202 level. Last Tuesday prices rallied higher to about the 207 208 level, so that's a 5-6 point gain before prices kind of sold off, and now it's kind of just going sideways for the most part. And I can draw that with the little consolidation right over here. So it looks like prices are kind of working more sideways more than anything right now. So it is looking kind of topish. So we could see a decent sized pullback fairly shortly. So you can see that we had a decent sized pullback, one leg higher, two legs higher, right near this measure move target. We're kind of just consolidating. So it's really hard for Meta platforms to continue this rally unless we see a decent sized pullback form. So I'd be expecting that fairly shortly. I don't know when exactly, but fairly shortly I would be expecting a decent sized pullback. This looks like the uptrend channel that prices have been respecting, and you can see that prices normally should be going to the top side, but it can't even reach it, so it's looking kind of bearish. So we could see a decent sized drop for Meta platforms fairly shortly. I don't know when. We could go a little bit more higher. There's definitely honestly no trap set up to go short right now, but it does look like we probably at least get a pullback on this chart. This level right here is very important for Meta platforms at the 191 level. I believe the bears are not going to give up without a fight, and they're probably going to want to drop prices back below this level at the 191. So I'll keep an eye on that. I think it's going to be a key level right at the 191 level, 190 level. And also I think we're seeing the resistance due to the $200 psychological round number. It's a very big number to keep for traders to keep an eye on, so this can act as resistance and support. It's just a magnet for price currently. So we have a two measure move higher, we have a breakout at the 191 level, we have overextension from the EMA, we have this $200 round psychological level. So we're just seeing a lot of indecision right now. Fairly shortly we're gonna see what the market wants to do. If we pull back to the 191 level and see a decent sized bounce, there's a good chance then we're gonna probably continue a little bit more higher. If we just break right through, there's a good chance we probably go maybe test these support levels that were created on the top, from the bottom to the top. So right now, it's hard to say what Meta platforms can do right now. I'll be expecting a decent sized pullback. Let's just use the fib tool to see maybe the first level that I can go to. The 236 is at the 180, and the 382 is 162. So I mean, that's what I mean where we see a decent sized pullback. Maybe the 382 or even a 50% retracement can occur. So just wait. I'm gonna watch out for that. Even if we do continue higher, I'm going to be still expecting a decent sized pullback. Now here is the weekly chart, and you can see that consolidation. You can see another consolidation on the weekly chart right about here, and we just broke outside of it. We doubled the range, so prices are finding resistance also at that level. And it looks like this week is red, so it could be finishing up as a red week. So we could see lower prices, maybe back to this EMA. We have not tested it pretty much since January of this year, so it's been a while. We're overextended from the EMA. We just had a breakout right over here, and bulls look like they could be getting tired right now. So this 185 190 level is a key level. We'll see if the bulls can defend it, as right now we just had a breakout of it. So we want to see a couple attempts that fail for the bears, and then for the bulls to rally prices. So as right now, it looks like a pullback is going to be coming fairly shortly. So that's all I have for meta platforms. I mean, even if we do go higher, I'm expecting a pullback first. It takes a lot of energy for the market to push up from where it is right now. It was easier when we were like really at a low price, far away from the EMA. Now we're at a decent price level, far away from the EMA on the top side. Before we were far away from the EMA on the bottom side, so we were gonna pull back to it like a rubber band. Now we could do the same thing towards the downside. We could pull back to it like a rubber band. So it's hard to say. The higher and higher we go, the more and more likely it is we're gonna see a move down. And it's been a while since we've been to this EMA, so I'm expecting lower prices. I'm expecting a pullback, or more or less probably just maybe more sideways trading for meta platforms around this 200 level. So that's all I have for meta platforms this week, and I'll see you guys next week, Tuesday. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave me a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.